As we age, our bodies change. It's a natural part of life. One change we might not like is losing muscle. This is called sarcopenia. It means our muscles get smaller and weaker. Sarcopenia can make everyday life harder. It can be difficult to climb stairs. Carrying groceries can become a chore. Even getting up from a chair can be a struggle. This loss of independence can be frustrating and even scary, but it doesn't have to be this way. We can fight back against muscle loss. With the right nutrients, we can maintain our strength and independence as we age. We can keep doing the things we love. We can stay active and enjoy life to the fullest. It all starts with understanding the important role of protein in our diets. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle. Think of it as the building block of our muscles. As we age, our bodies need even more protein to maintain muscle mass. This is because as we get older, our bodies become less efficient at using protein. We need to eat more of it to get the same muscle-building benefits. Unfortunately, many seniors don't get enough protein in their diets. This can lead to a vicious cycle of muscle loss, weakness, and reduced activity. The good news is that there's a simple and delicious solution. Eggs. Eggs are a protein powerhouse, packed with all the essential amino acids our bodies need. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to building and maintaining muscle. They're packed with high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. But the benefits of eggs go beyond just protein. Eggs are also rich in leucine. Leucine is a special amino acid that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. This is the process by which our bodies build new muscle tissue. In addition to protein and leucine, eggs are bursting with other essential nutrients. They provide vitamins like B12, D, and choline, which are crucial for energy production, bone health, and brain function. All these nutrients work together to support overall health and well-being, making eggs a true superfood for seniors. And the best part, they're incredibly versatile and easy to add to your diet. For years, eggs have been unfairly demonized due to their cholesterol content. Many people avoid eggs for fear of raising their cholesterol levels. However, recent studies have shown that dietary cholesterol from eggs has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, eggs contain nutrients like choline that may actually help improve cholesterol profiles. Choline plays a vital role in lipid metabolism, helping to prevent the buildup of cholesterol in the arteries. So don't be afraid to enjoy eggs as part of a healthy diet. They're a delicious and nutritious way to support your muscle health and overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet and regular exercise are far more critical for managing cholesterol levels than avoiding eggs. Section 5. Easy like sunny side up. Adding eggs to your plate. Incorporating eggs into your daily meals is easier than you might think. They're incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast of scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. For lunch, add a hard-boiled egg to your salad or sandwich for an extra boost of protein and nutrients. At dinner, try a frittata loaded with vegetables and a sprinkle of cheese. Eggs are also a great snack option. Hard-boiled eggs are convenient to grab on the go, while deviled eggs make a delicious and festive appetizer. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different ways to incorporate eggs into your diet. Section 6. Timing is everything. Fuel your muscles before and after exercise. When it comes to maximizing muscle growth and repair, timing your protein intake is crucial. Eating protein-rich foods like eggs before and after exercise can significantly enhance muscle protein synthesis. Before exercise, eggs provide the necessary amino acids to fuel your workout and prevent muscle breakdown. After exercise, consuming eggs helps replenish glycogen stores and kickstart the muscle repair process. Aim to eat a meal or snack containing 20 to 30 grams of protein within an hour or two of your workout. A post-workout omelet with vegetables or a protein shake with a couple of boiled eggs are excellent options. Remember, proper timing of your meals can optimize your body's ability to build and maintain muscle mass. Section 7. Real results. See and feel the difference. Incorporating eggs into your diet can lead to real and noticeable improvements in your strength, energy levels, and overall mobility. Studies have shown that seniors who consume adequate protein, especially from sources like eggs, experience greater muscle mass and strength gains compared to those who don't. Increased muscle mass can lead to improved balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and fractures. Furthermore, adequate protein intake can help maintain bone density, which is crucial for preventing osteoporosis, a common concern among seniors. Many individuals report feeling more energized and less fatigued throughout the day when they prioritize protein in their diets. This newfound energy can translate into greater independence and a more active lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy your golden years to the fullest. Section 8. Take the Egg Challenge. Are you ready to rebuild your muscles? So, are you ready to experience the incredible edible power of eggs? I challenge you to incorporate more eggs into your diet for the next 30 days. Start by adding an egg or two to your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Experiment with different recipes and find what you enjoy most. Pay attention to how you feel. You might be surprised by the positive changes you experience. Increased energy, improved strength, and greater mobility are just a few of the benefits you might notice. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your muscles. With the right nutrition and lifestyle choices, you can regain your strength, vitality, and zest for life. So go ahead, embrace the power of the egg and unlock your full potential.